Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start with safety and immediate checks. Chalk wheels, set parking brake on tow vehicle, and unplug the trailer wiring harness so you can test components individually. Next, remove the wheel and dust cap, then spin the hub to feel resistance. This tells you if shoes or bearings are seized. While you're in, probe the wiring plug and breakaway switch. Faulty power can lock magnets or apply brakes. Once you've identified electrical versus mechanical feel, move to targeted disassembly and testing. You'll now remove the drum and examine components closely. Look for glazed shoes, collapsed return springs, or a stuck magnetic actuator that holds the brakes applied. These mechanical faults cause locking. Rotate the hub to check bearings for roughness or binding. Replace if rough or pitted. Use a multimeter to confirm actuator coil resistance and have a second person actuate the controller so you can watch voltage under load. If you find contamination from grease or brake fluid, clean thoroughly and replace compromised parts before reassembly. You reassemble using new or refurbished parts. Clean mating surfaces, pack bearings with fresh grease, install new shoes or magnets if needed, and torque to the manufacturer's specs. Once wheels are back on, tow slowly and perform incremental brake tests. Apply trailer brakes only, then combine stops to verify even release and no dragging. If locking persists, make sure the controller gain isn't set too high and confirm solid ground connections. If a single axle still locks, isolate that.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.